Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern College of Pharmacy. Today we learn about the iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is a type of microcytic hypochromic anemia result from an inadequate supply of dietary iron in the body. That means जब हमारे डाइट के थ्रू आयरन का सप्लाई इनएडिक्वेट क्वांटिटी में हमारी बॉडी में होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी बॉडी में आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है, जिसे हम आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया बोलते हैं. There are 4 causes for iron deficiency anemia. First one is decreased iron store, decreased intake of iron in our body, increased losses of iron from the our body, and the increased demand of iron. The pathophysiology for the iron deficiency anemia: supply of inadequate iron result from a depletion of iron store. That means जब inadequate quantity में आयरन हमारी बॉडी में सप्लाई होता है, जिससे जो बॉडी में स्टोर्ड आयरन है उसकी कमी हो जाती है. रिजल्ट इन ए डिप्लीशन ऑफ सीरम ट्रांसफेरिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, जिससे हमारी बॉडी में सीरम ट्रांसफेरिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी कम हो जाता है, विच रिजल्ट इन ए सबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड द सबनॉर्मल ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी विच causes the iron deficiency. Now, clinical manifestations or the sign and symptoms for the iron deficiency include the pallor. Pallor means our skin color are slightly yellowish. Then the anorexia and irritability. Next one is palpitation. That means irregular heartbeat. Shortness of breath. Fatigue means thakan. Then atrophy of tongue and coilonchias in older children. That means the shape of nails are changed to the concave as compared to the normal nails, which show in the diagram. The other clinical manifestation include the organomegaly, lack of attention span, pica, growth retardation, impaired mental and physical functions. The diagnosis for the iron deficiency are completed in the 4th step. First one is history collection, then physical examination, laboratory investigation and the bone marrow study. Laboratory investigation include the peripheral blood smear slow microcytic hypochromic RBC. Then next one is reduced reticulocyte count. Hemoglobin percent is usually low in the body. Low serum iron, less than the 75 mg per deciliter. Increased total iron binding capacity and decreased the serum ferritin level. Treatment for the iron deficiency anemia by the 3 therapy. First one is oral iron therapy, parenteral iron therapy and the diet therapy. These are the 3 therapy used for the management and the treatment for the iron deficiency. Oral iron therapy. The recommended dose for the oral iron therapy for the infants and children are the 3 mg per kg per day, which include the 20 mg elemental iron plus the 100 microgram folic acid. For adolescent, its concentration is 100 mg elemental iron plus 500 microgram of folic acid plus 20 to 50 mg vitamin C. For the treatment of mild anemia, these doses are given once daily to the patient, and for the moderate and the severe anemia, these doses are twice in a daily, which result in a peak increase of reticulocyte count in 5th to 10th day of administration. Now, parenteral iron therapy. There are 2 routes for the parenteral iron therapy. First one is intramuscular and the intravenous. The parenteral iron therapy for the intramuscular route, we choose the ZTREC method, and for the intravenous therapy, the infusion method are used. Then iron dextran complex 50 mg per ml in 2 ml saline are usually inserted by the parenteral. Then the dose calculations include the iron in mg equals to weight in kg multiplied by the hemoglobin deficit multiplied by 4. By this formula, we calculate the dose of iron for the patient. Now the diet therapy. We know that some food are the good source of iron and some food are the poor source of iron. So the good source of iron food include the legumes, nut, green leaf veggies, yolk of egg, fish, meat, liver, ripe banana, mango and cooking of iron pots. These are the foods which have a iron rich concentrations, and the poor source of iron include the milk, then administer iron with the fruit juice and the iron with milk or the antacids. Thank you everyone.